we have Mr. Manikam Tagore, Lok Sabha Member of Parliament, joining us. Mr. Tagore, good morning to you. The leader of the opposition, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, made a statement a short while ago that the Speaker is not giving the opportunity to opposition members of Parliament to speak on contentious matters. They've also demanded the Prime Minister's presence in the lower house as well, and of course a statement from the government on Sindoor as well as Pahalgam. How long is this logjam likely to continue, Mr. Tagore?
We want the house to run. We want the house to function as house. It can't be a monkey bath parliament. It can't be. It has to be both ways. Opposition and ruling party both has to speak. And we are not. Today we have seen it that the Parliamentary Affairs Minister spoke. We all listened. When the Defence Minister spoke, we all listened. But Leader of Opposition was not allowed to speak. Leader of Opposition, the mic was not given. This is unfortunate. The government is not ready to allow the opposition voices to be heard. We are very much upset with this kind of things. They should allow the opposition leader to speak also, and the mic should be given to him.
But the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, among others, have said that there is a time to be raising the issues that the Lok Sabha leader of the opposition, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, the others want to raise, that there will be specific time that will be allocated for certain issues to be discussed on the floor of Parliament. What do you have to say in response to what the Parliamentary Affairs Minister has said?
This is very misguiding by the Parliamentary Affairs Minister. It is very unfortunate that what we are asking for not a discussion on any topic. What we are asking for the Leader of Opposition for his intervention. What rule the Parliamentary Affairs Minister makes an intervention? What rule the Defence Minister is making an intervention? The same rule the Leader of Opposition can also making an intervention. It is when you are not ready to give a mic to the Leader of Opposition, what you are sending the message. You are trying to silence the opposition by not giving the mic to the opposition leader, which is very unfortunate.
Okay, thanks Mr. Manikam Tagore for speaking to Times Now. Let's in fact once again listen in to what Rahul Gandhi said about not being given an opportunity to speak as far as the members of the opposition in the Lok Sabha are concerned.
नहीं, देखिए सवाल ये है कि जो हाउस में डिफेंस मिनिस्टर को बोलने देते हैं, उनके लोगों को बोलने देते हैं, मगर अगर विपक्ष का कोई कुछ कहना चाहता है तो अलाउड नहीं है। मैं लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन हूँ, मेरा हक है, तो मुझे तो कभी बोलने ही नहीं देते हैं। तो ये एक नया अप्रोच है।
क्या सवाल आप चाहते हैं सर, जो प्रधानमंत्री
बट दौड़ के निकले हाउस से एक सेकंड में
पे चर्चा होती तब वो नहीं बोलते हैं। तो ये तो देश देख रहा है कि विपक्ष केवल आज हंगामा करना चाहता है। आखिर बिहार के सर कोई इशू को लेकर के कब चुनाव नहीं हुआ कि चुनाव के पहले चुनाव आयोग ने घर घर जाकर के आज डोर टू डोर उसने वोट का वेरिफिकेशन न किया हो कि अगर कोई 18 साल का हो गया तो उसे उसको मतदाता बनाया जाता है, अगर किसी की डेथ हो गई तो उसको डिलीट किया जाता है, कोई ट्रांसफर हो गया। तो ये एक प्रक्रिया है, उस पर भी सवाल खड़ा कर रहे हैं। इससे साफ है कि कल तक तो ये चुनाव हारने के बाद ठीकरा ईवीएम पे फोड़ते थे, आज तो अब चुनाव के पहले ही बिहार के इन्होंने हार स्वीकार कर ली है और अब वो ठीकरा मतदाता सूची पे फोड़ रहा है।
जेएनके फुल स्टेट का डिमांड के लिए कांग्रेस ने कहा है, पार्लियामेंट में प्रोटेस्ट करेंगे, साथ ही साथ महिलाओं की सुरक्षा के लिए भी प्रोटेस्ट करेंगे। किस तरीके से? देखिए,
आज जेएनके के लिए जो सवाल था, जिस तरह से आर्टिकल 370, 35A के जो हालात थे, आज पूरी दुनिया ने देखा कि आज वहाँ आतंकवाद की घटनाएं खत्म हुई, आज वहाँ पे जो पत्थरबाजी होती थी, आज पर्यटक बढ़े हैं। और जिस तरह से लोग ये विपक्ष सवाल उठाता था, समय पे चुनाव हुआ है, समय पे सरकार कदम ले रही है।
सर, राहुल गांधी का कहना है कि ट्रंप कह रहे हैं कि 5 जेट गिराए गए, लेकिन उन्होंने ये नहीं कहा कि किसके जेट गिराए गए। विदेश नीति पर इस तरह के बयानात को आप किस तरह से देखते हैं? क्या इस तरह के बयानात से जो दुश्मन मुल्क है उनको फायदा पहुंचता है?
वो एक गैर जिम्मेदार है। हमेशा जब भारत और चाइना के बीच में गलवान में तनाव होगा तो वो चाइना के एम्बेसडर के साथ बैठ करके चाइनीज एम्बेसी में सवाल भारत से खड़ा करेंगे। जब भारत पाकिस्तान की होगी तो पाकिस्तान की तारीफ करेंगे। ऐसा कोई नेता प्रतिपक्ष गैर जिम्मेदाराना व्यवहार राहुल गांधी की तरह से करता नहीं होगा। उन्हें अगर कोई सवाल करना है तो सदन के अंदर करें, लिख करके दें, प्रस्ताव के रूप में दें, लेकिन केवल सदन के बाहर देश की जनता को गुमराह करते हैं।
सर एक आखिरी सवाल, जस्टिस वर्मा को रिमूव करने के लिए 100 से ज्यादा एमपी ने सिग्नेचर किया है, उसको कैसे देखते हैं आप?
निश्चित तौर से संसदीय कार्य मंत्री ने एक पहल किया है कि सभी दल के लोग उनके खिलाफ महाभियोग लाएं और सर्वदलीय बैठक में भी चर्चा हुई है और काफ़ी बड़ी संख्या में सांसदों ने हस्ताक्षर किया है। सरकार उसको लाएगी।
So that was Mr. Jagdambika Pal, who's of course part of the panel of chairpersons who assist the Speaker in running the Lok Sabha. He's of course raised a series of other issues as well, on which Rahul Gandhi, among others, have spoken, questioning their hypocrisy on the matter as well, and calling on the opposition to help run the House smoothly. So that was Jagdambika Pal attacking Rahul Gandhi on issues such as China, as well as the special intensive revision underway in the state of Bihar.
Jagdambika Pal, who was on the chair when Rahul Gandhi said, and Rahul Gandhi came out and said that he was not allowed to speak. Rahul Gandhi बाहर आए और कहा कि मुझे बोलने नहीं दिया जा रहा, सरकार बोलने जाती है तो वो बोलते हैं, हमें बोलने नहीं दिया जा रहा.
He telling a lie. I think so. I was on chair.
Yes, sir.
I have appealed to Rahul Gandhi. Please kindly you ask to your own members to vacate the well and the House should be in the order. Certainly I will allow you. But I think so they have made up his mind. They were pre-decided. Even on the first day of monsoon session, they were not allowed to run the House. Even during question hour you have seen, the Speaker was on chair. He was trying to take all the questions. But even he was only because of Congress party member of parliament and opposition, they have created such type of scene.
He's saying that I was not allowed to speak. Again and again Rahul Gandhi says this, and today also he came out and said the same.
His party was just to pandemonium and they were all in bell. So how Rahul Gandhi, I have already made a request to Rahul Gandhi, please kindly you ask to your members, they should vacate the well, I will allow you.
So that was Jagdambika Pal speaking on the allegations of Rahul Gandhi, because Rahul Gandhi said that the chair did not allow him to speak.
So that was Mr. Jagdambika Pal saying there was some kind of a predetermined attempt on the part of the opposition to disrupt Lok Sabha proceedings. For the time being, we're slipping into a short break. We'll come back with more on the other side. Stay tuned.